the light bulbs that I'm going to be putting on this vehicle will be these ones right here. T10s for side fender turn signal. On these ones, they're pretty much top quality, brightness, and the speed that it reacts to the turn signal works very well. Doesn't matter which way you put the light bulb, connect it, doesn't matter. As you can see, there's all these electronics. Don't know what they mean, but they look cool and they do a purpose. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off and show you why I like the light bulbs besides the brightness. First thing is first is that this light bulb fits the turn signal housing. It's real hard to find a natural T10 that actually fits this light housing. So I'm gonna get a little close up, show you what I'm talking about. So you see turn signal, light housing, the light bulb is just right there. You'll see it doesn't touch the housing. It has one light bulb right here, and it has one light bulb shooting out to the front, one light shooting out to the back, so you get that light effect all around this housing. So no matter what direction you're looking at this housing, it's gonna be a nice bright amber orange. See, there's 3 lights on this one. And it doesn't matter, like I said, which way you put this light bulb. So once you connect this light bulb, it's gonna turn on. Nice little fit. All you do is just push it in. You can see the light, and it goes right in with no hassle. And once you put it in and connect it, the light should be working. Have to unplug this, but I'm just doing it just to show you for demonstration purposes only. And then we're gonna do a little walk around, not a walk around, but a distance to show you how bright they are. It's video during the day, and then I'm gonna show you video at night. And to be honest with you, these lights are very bright. So if you want to stand out for safety purposes while driving, so you can let other drivers know that you're turning, these are the lights that I'm choosing. So let me turn on the vehicle, or turn on the emergency lights, and show you. As you can see, these are my emergency lights. My emergency lights that I programmed, it double blinks and then it stops. That's the one thing I like about these lights, because no matter how fast these lights blink, they have a nice steady blink. There's no fade, glitch, or flickering, nothing. It could handle that mod that I added to this vehicle, very well. This is a double blink, but when I have the turn signal, it blinks normally. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about right now with the double blink. So this is a double blink, and I'm gonna do it with the turn signal, a normal blink. Now this is my turn signal blink. See how it's nice and slow, just one blink. That's my turn signal. And as you can see, the orange, it covers all around the housing. I don't think the camera shows it, but all this is just bright orange, no matter from what direction I'm looking at it as. So right now, I'm gonna try to get different point of views of this light blinking, so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna get a point of view from the back and a point of view from the front. So if you are looking to upgrade your side fender LED lights to a bright light, good quality, these are the lights that I chose, and I'll leave a link down below in the description. So if you're looking for these lights, you will know where to go. And not only that, these lights are just as bright as the newer vehicles. They have LED turn signals, and you'll be upgrading yours to look just like theirs. A nice bright orange turn signal, amber orange. These are pretty bright turn signals. They're this side, this side.